Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will show how to download and install Oracle database version is 23A on Windows 10 or 11. AA stands for Artificial Intelligence. So this 23 version it will support the artificial intelligence. So hardware recommendations. So I am using same setup. So I am recommended to you can also use same setup. It is not uh, Oracle specified recommendations. These are my own recommendations. So 1 TB SSD, 12 GB RAM, Windows 10 or 11. So in this setup, I am not facing any not responding while I am start up the this laptop taking some long time. These kind of problems are not there. So it will when I press the power button, it will automatically quickly within seconds after it will be boot up. So there is no not responding kind of issues. So in this video, I will explain about how to download and install Oracle database. Version is 23 AA on Windows 10 or 11. These are my recommendations. If your system use this hardware recommendations, then your system will not be a slow, not responding kind of issues. So 1 TB SSD, 12 GB RAM, Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started. First we will download the Oracle software 23AA. So let's open the Chrome. So Chrome, let's type Oracle 23 AI download. So scroll down, see www.oracle.com database/technologies. Click this one. I will provide description of this video as well. Scroll down, select your download below. So see run Oracle database 23 AI free on Windows. This we need to download. Let's check here. So Microsoft Windows Oracle database 19C 19C are there 23C. So first go to Oracle database 23 AI free installation guide for Windows. So let's check this guide. The requirements, software requirements. So Windows 10 64-bit problem see disk space 8.5 GB minimum. Minimum is required. So plus 2 GB or more for temporary storage. That means nearly 12 GB, right? 2 GB RAM minimum. RAM. This is the 2 GB RAM disk. Disk or SSD is follow required. So in this section cover the following topics, right? See permission requirement for installing Oracle database free. So you must be a direct member of the administrator group on Windows to install Oracle database free. So let's try to install. If any issues are coming, accordingly we can change the settings. So if any issues are coming, scroll back. Either we can download here or we can download here. So I copied this link. Microsoft Windows 64-bit. Paste. Okay. So I am adding here steps to download and install Oracle database 23 AA on Windows 10 or 11. So first step is the download link. Download link. Download link. Let's start the download. So download. See, it is 1.3 GB. So it is 1.3 GB. This is the 19C. It is the 2.9 GB. So this version is the little bit size is less. 23 AI. So it is downloading the zip. So meanwhile, go to D drive. You can install every software in mostly in D drive. It is recommended like AV softwares, databases, IDs like that. You can create suppose in D drive I'm created one software folder in that I'm installing all softwares. So I will create another folder. So Oracle 23 AI. You can also create like this, no spaces between this name. So it is recommended to install every software in D drive, mostly databases, IDs like that. So like C drive is boot up when the system is start. When the system is start, all files in the C drive will be loaded, right? So it is heavy software, so it is burden to the system. It will make adjust to slow performance issues. That's why you can install indeed, and if anything went wrong, your OS is corrupted, something problem with their OS, you need to install new version of OS, then you will lost entire C drive, right? So that's why to backup also we can uh, recommended to place in D drive. So I will install the software in D drive. So I am recommended you to install in D drive. Control X. So in D drive create software folder. In software folder create Oracle version. So paste here this zip folder. Right click extract all. So if you have installed any specific so extract related software like 7-zip kind of, you can by using extract 7-zip it will not come automatically. You need to install, then only it will appear. Otherwise you can use extract all. I will use 7-zip extract here. So this is the Oracle 23A. After extracting, these files are there. So this is the setup. We need to run this as a administrator. Right click, run as administrator. Say yes. So second point, set up exe. Exe file, run as administrator. Run as administrator. So next, I accept the terms in the license agreement. So accept as next. See, this is the for install Oracle database 23 AI free to. So where you want to install. I am changing just C to D. I want to install in D drive. Next, password. See, this password will be used for system sys system PDB PDB admin. So for these three accounts, this password will be same. So let's note down those usernames like SOS system PDB PDB admin. So usernames, for these usernames I am mentioning password, like password is equal to, oh, do you remember in Oracle 11G, I think, Scott Tiger system manager. So I will provide manager as password. If any restrictions like one capital letter is mandatory, one small special letter, anything issue, then accordingly we will change. Now I will enter like a manager. Manager. Next, click install to begin the installation. You are in your laptop or desktop must be stable internet connectivity. If you are in middle of the installation, it is failed, then some of the files will be stored in your C drive, your some system configurations, then it is difficult to delete those. So services.msc, some files will be stored, it is difficult to delete. So when you are installing, must be stable internet connectivity, it is required. Next, so it is validating installing. So copying new files. In next video, I will show how to download and install SQL Developer tool. So this is a software we can use by using SQL plus CMD command prompt. For this, we have the SQL Developer GUI tool as well. That is, I will show in next video. So this copying new files. So I am not passing this video. How much time it taken? I will wait that time. So you can also install this software in D drive because of it will auto it will run. If you are the software you are installed in C drive, it will be load at the boot up, right? It is heavy software, so it is burden to the system. So you can install on like D drive. I will also show how to start and stop manually by using services.msc. If you are frequently using, so then no need to stop and start again, but you are using the software rarely, like monthly one time like that, so you can recommend it to, you can stop the listener, you can run the listener like that. I will show those. So copying new files. Let's see what is happening in D drive app. This is the username, this is the product, this is the Oracle database version, dbhomeFree. These are something is there. Just I will explore, go on to few of the folders. I will go on to, let's verify what is there here. JDBC lib see here. So app username product 21 AI DB home free. Next JDBC JDBC, say hello. If any pop-ups, say hello. So JDBC, in JDBC lib, here OJDBC 8.jar, 11.jar, 17.jar. By using this, we can connect. This is the Java jar files. Like it will provide these are the APIs. It will have JDBC code to interact with the database, right? So jar files OJ JDBC. So here check what is happening. Note point one. So what Oracle drivers available here available here available here. Driver means Oracle dependency or jar file. Oracle jars better to or Oracle jars. Oracle jars are drivers available here. Right? Let's see what is happening in download. So future I will so go to interact JDBC code to Oracle by using that those these drivers are there, right? The jar files OJDBC 8.jar or 11.jar 17.jar. By using this I will show either one is sufficient to interact with the Java code. In either three of these, one is sufficient. I will show how to interact JDBC code to Oracle database by using these drives. I think not only JDBC related, there are so many are given. Let's check. These are the .NET, bin, so many are given. But for Java developers only require, I think this is JDBC and go to the admin sample. Let's check. Nothing is there here. Nothing is there. So it is configuring Oracle components. Now it is configuring Oracle components. Wait some time, this process will be completed. So I am not skipping anything. So I am showing how much time it is taking for me as well. So it is 7% completed. Wait for some time, it will be completed 100%. Let's explore few more folders. So dbhomeFree, right? Go to network. Let's check it there in network admin. So something file is there, right? This file. Let's try to open. Suppose notepad just once. See what is there. Port is there. Host is there. We can mention either this or local host. Port host is there. Is there anything? Nothing is there extra. Let's check listener. Open with notepad. Service listener free. Port default service listener free. Close. Let's check this one. Open with notepad. SQL net. Here something is there. Close. So it is only 7% is completed. Wait for remaining percentage will complete. Wait for some time. Remaining percentage will be completed. So if possible, refresh as well. After installation is done, you need to post practice more and more by using the SQL plus. So CMD or Conjure. Then only you can move to SQL developer GUI tool. You need to know SQL languages like DDL, DML. Mm, these few are there like DDL, DML, TCL. Some retro kind of are there, right? These 4 5 are there languages. Those you need to strong in those. You need to strong in those, and you need to strong in joins. Once your SQL languages and joins are your perfect, then only you can start using the SQL developer. So first you can practice by using SQL plus, then only you can move to SQL developer. See, it is percentage 29 completed, 30 completed. Wait for 100 until 100 completed. Sometimes you can try to refresh it. Mandatory stable internet. Otherwise, it will stop at the middle of the installation. It will causes so many problems next, and it will may not possible to install again. Again, if you want to install, then you need to delete so many some registries are there in our software Windows. We need to delete some registries kind of. So those entries we need to delete. It is difficult to delete. Then before starting the installation of software, check your internet stability. Then only proceed. It is heavy software, like, right? It is heavy software, so we need to install carefully. 33% is completed. 30% is completed. Meanwhile, let's explore some of the guide. Guide is there, right? Here, guide. Let's explore it. So, introduction, development environments. Oracle database pre-support the following development environments. So this software supports for Java, C and C++, .NET, Visual Studio Code. So in Java, develop and deploy modern database-bound Java applications, servlets, web applications, microservices, standard Java frameworks using Oracle JDBC driver. So we are also seeing right JDBC drivers in this location. So notepad. So in this location they write Oracle Java drivers to integrate JDBC code with Oracle software, right? By using that, we need to know like host, SID, host, SID, database name, this kind of 47% is completed. So if I go to requirements, software requirement, permissions, system requirements, system requirements. If you have a time, you can go through. These are not mandatory while installing this Oracle software 23 AI. If you want to learn something about this software, you can go through. This is the installation guide for Microsoft Windows. 47% is completed. So I will pass some time. It is taking long time. So I will update how much time is it taken. So it is just taken the so 3 minutes after passing this video. So now see here localhost 1521 free dbB1. Let's note down this point number 5 localhost. This is the host name, or you can also if you don't want to mention this localhost, mention the IP address 1521 after that plus this is I think free PDBADMIN. This is a global name. I think it is a global name or SID. SID. Let's finish it. Let's open the SQL developer. SQL plus, right? SQL plus. So first I will set it to desktop. Send it to desktop. SQL plus. Open file location. Right click. So show more options. Send it to desktop. So again searching instead of searching. I will open directly from here. So I will keep this. So let's move to this place. Double click, it will open. So username, see your usernames. So SOS system, this one PDBA PDB admin. Password manager, right? I will use system manager. So capital system password small manager enter. So I am successfully connected. Select ముందు set pages 150 set lines 150. So select star from tab. It will appear all tables. So select star from tab. So here we are not able to understand anything, right? Let's try to increase pages 200, set line 100, pages 200. So now see, it is clearly visible, right? So suppose product user profile. Assume these are the tables. I think these are the tables. Control C. Select star from no row selected. Let's check another. Let's create table. Create table. Table name suppose student id int name var 2 size 30. Size better to give 60. So insert into table name student values. Suppose 101 single quotes name Shankar. So commit select star from student. See, one record, one row is there, right? Clear screen. So I am closing. Let's go to the services. So if you are facing any listener issues, I will show go to Azure while you are connecting with your Java code to this Oracle software. If you are facing the listener issue, listener something, some error, I will show go to Azure Windows+r services.msc. Click. So you can also slowly you can also go through and O will coming post letter O. Otherwise you can click here, press O. It will be coming like this. See, this listener is important. Must listener will be running. Remember, this listener will be running. If it is not running, the status is not running. Need to right click. See, start will be there, stop will be there, restart. This kind of you can start. So in this video, we have successfully understand how to download and install Oracle database 23A on Windows 10 or 11. So thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.